Welcome back to Bike Lane. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Honda Shadow 750, a classic cruiser that continues to blend old-school charm with modern reliability. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, the Shadow 750 remains a go-to for its timeless style and approachable performance. Design and styling. The 2025 model sticks to the Shadow's iconic cruiser silhouette, with low-slung lines, a teardrop tank, and loads of chrome. Honda offers a few subtle design tweaks this year, like updated badging and a fresh matte color option that gives the bike a slightly more aggressive look while keeping it true to its roots. Engine and performance. Powered by a tried-and-true 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin, the Shadow 750 delivers smooth, predictable torque across the rev range. It's not built for speed demons, but for everyday cruising, it's hard to beat. The 5-speed transmission is crisp, and the shaft drive keeps things low maintenance and reliable. Comfort and ride quality. With its low seat height and balanced weight distribution, the Shadow is beginner-friendly without compromising comfort for taller riders. Suspension is tuned for easy city cruising and relaxed highway trips, making it a practical choice for daily riders and weekend wanderers alike. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 stays true to what makes it great: simplicity, reliability, and a smooth ride. It's not flashy, but that's the point. For riders who value laid-back cruising and dependable performance, the Shadow still stands tall in Honda's lineup. Stay tuned to Bike Lane for more honest bike reviews and updates.